how to create GIF in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to create a new project. So all you have to do is to just go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the create button. Once you do that, just click the custom size right here, and then for the width and height, we're gonna put 500, and then same goes for the height. Once you do that, all you have to do is to click create new design, and then you will be redirected into this page. Let's say, for example, that you want to create a GIF about your dog. So all you have to do is to, of course, just upload the pictures of your dogs right here. But what we're going to do is to just get the pictures here in the Canva. So on the elements, I'm just going to search for dog and then go here on the photos. So let's say, for example, that we're going to use this picture, and then I'm going to add another page. And then let's say, for example, that we want to use this also. And then let's add another page, and then we're going to use this one, and then we're going to adjust, of course, the image. Once you're now done with this, the next thing that we need to do is to just right click on it and then click show element timing. Once you do that, this will pop up. So all you have to do is to click the duration, and then we're going to adjust the duration from 5 seconds to 1 second. So what we're going to do is to just drag this. So let's put it into 1 second. Same goes for this second picture. And then, of course, the last picture. And then once you're now done with this, let's say, for example, that you already want to export it and turn it into a GIF. So all you have to do is to just go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the share icon. Once you do that, just click the download button. And then on the file type, what we're going to do is to change it from PNG into GIF, which is right here. So just click that. And then all you have to do is to click download. And then let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, all you have to do is to click the save button right here. And then if we watch the GIF, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, we have now created a GIF in Canva. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to create a GIF in Canva.